So here's the fabric I'm using, and this is the wrong side of the fabric, and I have half folded, and then I'm going to fold it to mark the measurements and for the cutting. The ready length is 26, so here I'm going to mark 26 inches, and for the folding I'm going to take 1.5 inches extra. So here I'm going to make neck. First I'm going to measure the cross shoulder, that is 7 inches. From here I'm going to mark armhole, which is 6.5 inches, and from here I'm going to mark the chest, which is 18 inches, and the neck width is 3.5 inches, and from the top I will mark at 14 inches. That would be the waist, and waist is 14, and from the top I'm going to measure 20 inches, and that is the hip point, and hip is 9, and here I'm going to draw a line and mark the armholes. And from the top shoulder I'm going to measure 3/4 inches, and I'm going to make a mark on it. And now I'm going to start my cutting. So the front is ready, and this is the back neck. The width of the back neck will be same as the front neck, which is 3.5 inches, but you can change the depth. So here I'm going to keep it 2 inches down. And the back neck is ready as well, and I'm going to cut the sleeves now. And I have this leftover fabric which I'm going to use for sleeves, and I have 4 fold the fabric. This is the folded side and this is the open side of the sleeve, and I'm going to measure from here. First I'm going to measure the sleeve length, which I'm going to keep it 12 inches. This one is including the seam margin and the folding. And from here I'm going to measure the sleeve width, which one is 8 inches, and from the open side I'm going to mark at 4 inches, and here I'm going to make a shape for the sleeve like this, and from here I'm going to mark 12 inches, which is the sleeve length, and here I'm going to join these marks, and the 6 inches from here I will keep the sewing allowance as well, and 7, and I'm going to cut this sleeve. At the top I'm going to make a cut. So this is how it looks.